regarding Saint Makarios of Paphos, commemorated on February 8th. February 8th. Orthodox research reveals no record of a Saint Makarios of Paphos on February 8th, prompting a review of the Church's venerated saints for that day. The Church, in her wisdom, carefully preserves the memory of her saints, those who have witnessed to Christ through their lives, their confession, and their asceticism. These holy men and women are commemorated throughout the liturgical year, their lives serving as examples and their intercessions as a comfort to the faithful. The Synaxarion, the collection of saints' lives, is a sacred repository, reflecting the unbroken tradition of veneration passed down through generations. A thorough review of reliable Orthodox Christian sources, including the Synaxaria and liturgical calendars of the Orthodox Church in America, OCA, the Greek Orthodox Archdiocese of America, and the Antiochian Orthodox Christian Archdiocese of North America, was conducted to investigate the commemoration of a Saint Makarios of Paphos on February 8th. This diligent search aimed to ascertain the historical and liturgical presence of such a saint within the Orthodox calendar. Upon the completion of this extensive review, it has been determined that there is no record of a saint specifically named Makarios of Paphos commemorated on February 8th in the established and widely venerated calendars of these major Orthodox jurisdictions. While the name Makarios is indeed a venerable one within the Church, associated with many holy figures, and Paphos is a place with a rich Christian history, this particular combination of name, place, and date does not appear in the general Orthodox Synaxarion. It is possible that a Saint Makarios of Paphos might be a very local saint, a topikos, a osh, whose veneration is confined to a specific region or community and has not yet entered the broader liturgical calendars. Alternatively, there could be a confusion of names or dates, a common occurrence in the transmission of historical records over centuries. The Church, in her precision, seeks to honor each saint rightly, according to their proven witness. While the specific commemoration of a Saint Makarios of Paphos on February 8th is not found, the Orthodox Church does celebrate other significant saints on this day. These are figures whose lives and witness have been universally recognized and venerated across the Orthodox world. Foremost among them is the holy great martyr Theodore Stratoletes, also known as the General. He lived in the 4th century and served as a Roman general. His life was a testament to his faith, which he confessed even unto death. Saint Theodore endured martyrdom in Heraclea, offering his life as a witness to Christ. His primary feast day is observed on February 8th, and the translation of his holy relics is also commemorated on June 8. His steadfastness in the face of persecution provides an enduring example of courage and fidelity to the gospel. Also commemorated on February 8th is the holy prophet Zechariah. He is one of the 12 minor prophets of the Old Testament, whose prophetic ministry took place during the reign of King Darius. Prophet Zechariah's visions and prophecies, including the vision of the flying scroll, earned him the appellation the sickle seer. His words guided the people of Israel, calling them to repentance and offering them hope in God's promises. His prophetic witness foreshadowed the coming of Christ and the establishment of his kingdom. Furthermore, on this day, the Church honors Saint Sava II, Archbishop of Serbia. Living in the 13th century, Saint Sava II served as the third archbishop of the autocephalous Serbian Orthodox Church. He followed in the footsteps of his illustrious uncle, Saint Sava I, establishing and strengthening the Church in Serbia. His episcopacy was marked by pastoral care, theological instruction, and the spiritual guidance of his flock. He labored for the spiritual well-being of his people, building upon the foundations laid by his predecessors. It is also pertinent to note that the name Makarios, meaning blessed or happy, has been borne by several other major and widely known saints whose lives have profoundly influenced Orthodox spirituality, though none are associated with Paphos or the specific date of February 8th. These include Saint Makarios the Great of Egypt, commemorated on January 19th. He was one of the most renowned desert fathers of the 4th century, known for his profound asceticism, spiritual wisdom, and discernment. His writings and teachings continue to guide monastics and lay people alike in the pursuit of inner stillness and prayer. Saint Makarios of Alexandria, also commemorated on January 19. A contemporary of Makarios the Great, he too was a prominent desert father, known for his rigorous ascetic practices and his spiritual struggles. Saint Makarios, Bishop of Corinth, commemorated on April 17th. An 18th century bishop, he distinguished himself through his ascetic life and his significant role in the compilation and dissemination of the Philokalia, a collection of texts by the Church Fathers on the spiritual life, particularly on prayer and vigilance. Saint Makarios of Jerusalem, commemorated on March 10th. He served as the Patriarch of Jerusalem in the 4th century and was present with Saint Helen at the finding of the True Cross, a pivotal event in the history of the Church. His leadership during a crucial period contributed to the preservation and veneration of the holy sites. In conclusion, based on the available evidence from authoritative Orthodox sources, the Church's liturgical calendars for February 8th do not include a commemoration for a Makarios of Paphos. The faithful are instead called to honor the holy great martyr Theodore Stratolates, the holy prophet Zechariah, and Saint Sava II, Archbishop of Serbia, whose lives offer rich examples of Christian witness. The diligent study of the Synaxarion ensures that the veneration of saints remains true to the historical and theological tradition of the Orthodox Church.